You bear doing today? You too posh. Go on the floor. Go on the deck chairs. You allowed there? I think it's quite sweet. Quite sweet. You jump up there and sunbathe. Well, where's the sun? Wow, up there somewhere. Right on you. This is the best place to be. You okay in the morning now? Still early, isn't it? The sun's out early today. Day, I wasn't going to play basketballs, Pap. You bringing your basketball up there. Do you need help? I'm gonna put your basketball up there. No? Day, not in the house, Pap. Dad's cleaning up. You okay today, love? Enjoying the sun. You're hot. You're hot, Babadoo. Lola comes out for a bit and then has to go in, don't you? Go in to get cool. It's a bit sunny today. Sun baby, aren't you? You're a sun baby. Good girl, love. Bless you. Shall I come out the sun so you get the sun? Day. What are you doing today? You just played basketball. You were quiet with Lola until I came out. You was. You're going to put everyone off once in a French bulldog, you are. Innit? Old granny over here. You just want a peaceful life, don't you, Bob? Going. Still got to tidy some of this garden up, haven't we? You haven't made too much of a mess, just this polystyrene and you've decided to rip up. Okay, should we go, love? Should we go? What's that? What's it? Kids? It's the kids at the school. Okay, you're gonna go now.